In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate reports on Monday.com. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just aiming to streamline your reporting process, this guide will help you master the basics and set up effective reports for your team. Once you're logged in, head over to the board you want to work with. If it's your first time, don't worry, navigating around will become natural in no time. Start by spotting the blue plus sign button on the left side of your screen. This little icon is your key to adding new elements. Go ahead and click on it, then choose Dashboard from the drop-down menu. By selecting Dashboard, you're laying down the foundation for your reporting framework. Afterward, it's time to give your new dashboard a name. You can do this by clicking on the text box and entering a name of your choice. Naming your dashboard is not just cosmetic. It's a great way to stay organized as you create more dashboards down the line. Next, click on Create Dashboard. With this step, you officially add it to your workspace. This is the moment when your dashboard becomes active and it's ready for customization. Now that your dashboard is set up, go ahead and select the board from which you'll source your report data. Once you've made your selection, click Done. With your chosen data in place, the customization phase can begin, which is where it gets exciting. To start incorporating different data visualization tools, click on Add Widget. If visual representation is your aim, opt to create a chart widget. This allows you to present data in a more visual format, which is crucial for highlighting trends and patterns that might not be immediately clear in raw data. For further customization, you might want to poke around a bit. Click Add Widget again, and if you ever feel the available options are too limited, go ahead and click on More Widgets to explore additional choices. Remember, the layout that suits your needs best is all about personalization and a little bit of experimentation. What's fantastic is that you can adjust the size of your widgets. These adjustments let you design the visual experience to your liking or cater directly to specific data needs. On the upper right corner of your screen, there's a three-dotted line. Click on it, and you'll gain access to Present Mode. This feature is perfect for directing attention to key metrics during team meetings. Just like that, your screen is now a dynamic reporting tool. These reports can actually transform your meetings by providing your team with a comprehensive view of ongoing and future projects. By following these steps, you'll have an efficient reporting system up and running in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.